Hey there, this is Christina with WTI. If you're like me, then you need your eyeliner to finish the look that you're going for. I cannot live without eyeliner. I recently started using the Revlon Color Stay Black Eyeliner, and I really like it. Something that I love about this is that it is a 3-in-1. So they have attached a sharpener here. Then you have your smudger, and then you have your eyeliner. So, and it goes up and down quite easily. Take a look at how easy it is to apply. So this eyeliner was very pigmented, and I found that it was really easy to apply. It goes on nice and smooth along my eye, and I think that it's just really good quality. Something else I like to do sometimes is do the waterline. Sometimes I like to do that for a little bit more of a dramatic look, and this eyeliner is great for that as well. So if you're looking for a great quality eyeliner that's going to have all the things you need in one little pencil, I definitely would recommend this one, but that's just my point of view.